Okay, so a friend of mine asking me to see me opening the box. I don't know why, but he asked me to. So here it is. I've received this box on the other day, and there are two items inside. That first one is Animal Crossing, and the second one is something that will help me play Animal Crossing with someone else. So let's take a look at it. And here we go. It's a normal package from Amazon. I really don't know why he wanted to see this, but maybe he's excited right now to see it. And here it is. Oh, this big box has only two things. Set of Joy-Cons and Atsumare Dobutsu no Mori, or as you know in the West, Animal Crossing. Now, here's the thing, I'm not sure how this game will play, because for instance, I know that I can play with up to 4 people in the same system. That's why I wanted to get the Joy-Cons, so I can play with someone else on the same system. And this game is the Japanese version, but I know that some games in the Switch you can change the language just by changing the language of the system, and I think that in this game you can do that as well. So yeah, that's it. I will be playing Atsumare Dobutsu no Mori, or Animal Crossing, and I will tell you guys later how it works, especially with this two Joy-Cons in the same system. By the way, I have a Nintendo Switch Lite, so I can't play on the big screen. That's why I got this. It's going to be my first pair of Joy-Cons. And that's it. Okay, so we are now going to open Dobutsu no Mori and see what's inside. Well, probably the game is inside, but I don't know if there will be a game code or a game cartridge, because sometimes it only comes with a download code, and sometimes it's only a cartridge and nothing else. Like in the old days, it came with manual and a lot of things. Let's see. Now, so, oh, it came with two things: the game cartridge, which I'm not going to leak, and I think it's a manual. And here's the inside of it. So it's not a manual, it's just an advertisement for other games. Pokemon Fushigi no Dungeon, Pokemon Sword and Shield, Super Mario Maker 2, Luigi Mansion, no Ring Fit, Splatoon, Super Mario Party, Super Mario Odyssey. Yeah, just commercial for advertisement for Nintendo games. So yeah, now I'm going to write this also exists. Let's see what's inside of this one, because I plan on playing a 2-player game on a Nintendo Switch Lite, so let's see what's inside. Okay, here are the controllers. Here's the top part of the controllers, and I think that's it. There is no charging cable or anything. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it. Not clicking. So here's the controller. It's pretty small. Smaller than I expected, and yeah, I will check it out and see how it plays, and I will make another video telling you how it went. Bye.